Are you tired of trying to make money online with complicated methods that require marketing, content writing, or shipping products? Well, I have good news for you. Introducing domain flipping, the easiest and most budget-friendly way to make money online. But wait, what is domain flipping? Domain flipping is the process of buying a domain name and then reselling it for a higher price. It's like buying a house, renovating it, and then selling it for a profit. But in this case, you're buying a domain name, improving its value, and selling it for a higher price online. The best part is, you don't need to invest a lot of money up front, it's low risk, and it works from anywhere in the world. Compared to affiliate marketing or drop shipping, domain flipping is not as time-consuming and it's budget-friendly. You can start with as little as $10 and turn profit. So what are you waiting for? I'll provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed in this exciting and dynamic industry. You'll learn how to identify and acquire high-value domains and how to sell them for top dollar in no time. Join me in my domain flipping course today and start making money online without all the hassle.